So did you know you can change your iPhone's ringtone from this generic ringtone that we all know to something like this? Yes, you actually can. And the best part is you don't need any external app. You don't need your PC to do this. You can do everything right on your iPhone. But there is one catch. Your iPhone must support iOS version 26 before you can do this. So if you have iOS 26 already installed on your device, let me show you how you can turn any sound of your choice into a cool custom ringtone for your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a video containing the sound that you want to use as your custom ringtone on your iPhone. And the video should not be more than 30 seconds long. Now for the next step, I want you to locate the video in your Photos app. Tap on the share button, scroll down and tap Save to Files. Now save your video here. After doing this, now navigate to the Files app. And locate the video that you just saved into the Files app. When you find it, I want you to long press on the video file. When you see the menu, tap on Rename. Double tap on the highlighted name. When you see this menu, scroll down and tap on Edit Extension. Change MP4 to M4A. When you see this pop up on your screen, choose Use.M4A. By doing this, we have converted our video file into an audio file for our iPhone. Now long press on the audio file that you just created. Tap on the share button. Tap on View More. Tap on Use as Ringtone. And just like that, you have successfully set a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Let me know in the comment section if this worked for you, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.